Welcome to SK Sudoku. I'm going to solve New York Times Art Sudoku puzzle on number 4, 2022 Hard Sudoku. Column B, column C, we have pair numbers 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Sixth row, seventh row, and seventh grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. Third row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. First grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 5, 8, 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining. 2, 1, 6. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Seventh row on 7th grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining. 5 and 8. 10th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 7th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 8, 3. 10th row, we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining. 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining. 5 and 6. 6th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 6th row, 7th row, we have 5. Column I also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 7th row, column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 7th row and 5th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 3. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Column J, 5th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 7. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Third row and 10th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 8th grade, column H, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 8th row and column H, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. 9 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 10th row and 8th row, we have 9. Column G also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, 4th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. The 2 is confirmed here. 4th row and 2nd row, we have 2. Column I also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. The 2 is confirmed here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 3. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 7. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Column G, 4 numbers are remaining. 4, 7, 1, 3. 9th row, we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 3. It will come in another two cells. 9th row, we have 1. 7 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. then 3 is here. Then 6th row we can confirm 3 also here. 9th row we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 9th row only one number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Column I, column J we have 8, so it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7, it will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Second row, third row we have 6, so 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column I we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. 9th grade we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. 8th row we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 8th row we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E and third row, we have pair numbers 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells. 4th row, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 4th row and third row, we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. 4th row we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Second row we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Second row we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 4th row we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 5th grade we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then second row only one number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Then 4th row only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Column E we have 1, 7 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Third row 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Column E we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Column E we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column E we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.